Welcome to our roundup of the best steam cleaners for home users who want spotless floors, deep cleaned carpets, and powerful suction without the hassle of bulky machines. Whether you're dealing with stubborn stains, pet hair, or everyday dust, these top-rated steam cleaners are designed to give you professional-grade results with minimal effort. Today, we have selected the most reliable and efficient cordless steam cleaners that combine strong suction, long-lasting battery performance, ergonomic handling, and modern features. We'll break down each model's cleaning power, runtime, filtration system, versatility, and real-world value so that you can confidently choose the right one for your home. Let's dive in and find the perfect cleaning companion for your floors, carpets, and tight spaces. The first on the list is the Homica cordless cleaner. The Homica is built for homeowners who want strong suction and long runtime without being tied to a cord. Powered by an efficient brushless motor, it delivers impressive suction performance that makes tackling pet hair, dust, and debris easy. With up to 60 minutes of continuous cleaning on low mode, it is ideal for large homes that require longer sessions. Its lightweight build and multi-surface brush make it versatile for everything from hardwood floors to thick carpets. What stands out most is its triple filtration system, which keeps fine dust particles from returning into the air, helping create a healthier home. The cleaner includes a high-capacity dust canister that is simple to empty and clean, adding convenience during everyday use. Overall, the Homica offers a blend of power, ease of use, and value, making it suitable for anyone who wants effective whole-home cleaning without spending too much time or effort. Next up is the INSE N3T cleaner. The N3T is crafted for users who want a light, maneuverable cleaner with enough power for daily messes and high-traffic areas. Equipped with a high-speed motor, it offers solid suction that handles crumbs, dust, hair, and small debris effortlessly. Its detachable battery provides up to 45 minutes of cleaning time, giving you enough power for multi-room cleaning. The adjustable telescopic tube is a welcome addition, allowing users of different heights to clean comfortably. This cleaner excels in versatility, thanks to its combination floor brush, crevice tool, and small motorized brush for sofas and mattresses. The fully sealed filtration system traps allergens and fine particles, which is particularly beneficial for allergy-prone users. Its large dust container reduces the need for frequent emptying, making cleaning quicker and more efficient. Overall, the N3T is an excellent everyday cleaner that strikes a balance between ease of use, battery performance, and cleaning power. Next is the Suxiangvac cordless cleaner. This model is built with power and versatility in mind, offering high suction strength suitable for carpets, tiles, and hardwood surfaces. Its brushless motor provides stable power and improved durability, making it ideal for users who want strong cleaning performance without motor noise or overheating. With a runtime of up to 50 minutes, it supports deep cleaning sessions without constant recharging. Its advanced cyclone filtration system separates dust efficiently while maintaining consistent suction throughout the cleaning process. The cleaner includes multiple attachments for floors, upholstery, ceilings, and car interiors, adding value for users with diverse cleaning needs. Overall, the Suxiangvac offers dependable cleaning results with an impressive combination of power, flexibility, and user-friendly design. Next, we have the INSE S10 cleaner. The S10 is designed for households that need powerful suction paired with extended battery life. Its upgraded motor delivers strong performance even on carpets, pulling embedded dirt and pet hair with ease. The dual removable battery system is a standout feature, giving users up to 90 minutes of total cleaning time when both batteries are used. This makes the S10 great for large homes or weekly deep clean sessions. The cleaner's 5-stage filtration system captures fine dust, allergens, and airborne particles, ensuring cleaner air after every session. Its ergonomic design allows for effortless maneuvering around furniture, and the flexible hose and nozzles make it effective for stairs, curtains, and upholstery. The dustbin is easy to detach and clean, making maintenance minimal. Overall, the INSE S10 provides excellent performance, long runtime, and dependable results for users who want maximum cleaning power. The last one on our list is the Yasora N300 upright cleaner. This model focuses on convenience, suction strength, and ergonomic operation. With its powerful motor, it easily lifts debris from carpets and hard floors, making everyday cleaning quicker and more effective. Its upright design offers stability and comfort, while the detachable handheld mode adds versatility for sofas, cars, and stairs. The N300 provides up to 40 minutes of runtime, suitable for most mid-sized homes. Its enhanced filtration system captures microscopic particles, improving air quality and reducing allergens in your space. The cleaner's wide brush head covers larger areas in less time, and the built-in LEDs help illuminate dusty spots. Overall, the Yasora N300 is an impressive upright vacuum that combines portability, strong performance, and versatile cleaning options. So, That's it for the best steam cleaners available today. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching. And until next time, stay clean and stay connected.